Hello, so in this video I'm sharing with you my day trip to Abbotsford, home of Sir Walter Scott, and you can get there quite easily by bus. It's located in the Scottish borders and you can get the bus from Edinburgh, bus number X95 with the Border Buses company, and you can get a day ticket for £8.60, let me just say £8.40, so you can like return as well with that. And the ticket to get into the house, the chapel and the gardens cost £12.50. It's definitely worth it. It was beautiful, and yeah, I'm excited to just show you a few videos of it. You can also follow me on Instagram at marisa.voyadzi. I share a lot about travel content around Scotland, and just generally like other destinations as well, especially travelling without a car since I don't drive. A lot about solo travel and budget as well. I've also written a blog post about my trip to Abbotsford with more details about how to get there, the tickets, how it was like when I was there. So I'll link that down below in the description box. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm now down at the river bit. It's like the river walk. It's so pretty. It's so warm though, but the house is just so pretty inside and outside, like the gardens and everything, and the estate is like really big, so there's like plenty of little like walking trails that you can take, and yeah, so I'm just gonna walk along the river a bit, and then I think I'm just gonna go and get the bus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. It was quite a short video, but I just wanted to share my experience and just a few clips of it. It was really beautiful, and like I said before, I've written a blog post, so I'll link it down below, and you can also follow me on Instagram at marisa.voyadzi, and I will see you next time in the next video.